The short answer is no. The ELLIPAL hardware wallet does not depend on servers for wallet access in a critical way that would compromise your security. The ELLIPAL hardware device, such as the Titan, is designed as a fully air-gapped cold wallet. This means it is never connected to the internet, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or USB. It is the sole keeper of your private keys and is physically isolated from all networks. These private keys, which are what truly control your crypto, are generated and stored entirely offline on the device. Therefore, for the essential function of accessing your private keys for transaction signing, there is absolutely no dependence on ELLIPAL's or any third-party servers. However, the ELLIPAL ecosystem does involve a companion mobile app. This app is what connects to the blockchain network to synchronize data. The app accesses public information like your wallet balance, transaction history, and current market data, information that is already public on the blockchain. When you want to make a transaction, you initiate it on the ELLIPAL app, which is online. The app then generates an unsigned transaction data in the form of a QR code. Your completely offline ELLIPAL hardware wallet then scans this QR code using its camera. It signs the transaction internally using your private keys, and then displays the signed transaction as another QR code. Finally, the mobile app scans the signed QR code and broadcasts it to the blockchain network to complete the transaction. The only thing traveling online is the public transaction data, never your private keys. The hardware wallet's function as the secure signer is never dependent on a server.